how to make your TikTok account not private. So if your TikTok account is set to private and now you want to make it public or not private so that all TikTok users can see your followers, see your post, and also send you a message, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're done with this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make your TikTok account not private, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. This could be Android and could be iPhone. Then once you open the TikTok app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then on the page, you want to click on the menu icon at the top right. Now, once you click on that, locate settings and privacy from the menu and click on it. There you go. Then under settings and privacy, locate account and click on privacy under account. Then once selected privacy under account, then you should see private account. To make your TikTok account not private, just go ahead and disable this. Then you should spot that says switch to public account. Anyone will be able to follow you and view your public post. Anyone can duet with your videos, except for videos you don't allow. Anyone can stitch with your videos, except for videos you don't allow. And anyone can download your videos either offline or online. Then go ahead and click on switch. Once you hit the switch button, just hang on while private account is disabled, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to make your TikTok account not private. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.